Good morning, everybody. Yeah, I was checking if it was still morning, but it's still morning. Yeah. So I have been under the weather for a few days. Didn't feel very well, so yeah, that happens also. Even when you are in Bulgaria, in sunny Bulgaria, can happen. So what are we doing today? So today we are going to smoke this salmon. Yeah, and this salmon we picked up from a grocery store here, and it was let me see, it was in Pavlikeni, and I paid for this amount of salmon 15 leva 61. So that means in euros that's half. So that's not so much, right? For so much salmon in the Netherlands, you cannot really. No. You will pay way more for this big amount of salmon. So we thought we took a smoker from the Netherlands to here, which I had in my shed already for ages. I never used it in the Netherlands because I had a dream of owning a farm, and I was saving up things like that, like a smoker, for whenever my farm would come. And now it's here in Bulgaria. So that's what we are doing right now. So let me show you what my husband is doing right now. So my hubby is over there preparing the smoker. We are not professionals in smoking, so we're just trying to do what we think we should do. I did it one time before, last week or the week before, I think. I smoked other fish, and it was kind of nice. We have tons and tons of wood here on the property, so we're just trying to make it work like that. So now we are waiting until the fire is getting very, very hot, and then we will put the water in that thing there, and then the salmon can go up, and we will start smoking the fish. So the coals are now very hot, and as you can see, our door is acting up. So the paint is going off. That's not so nice, but yeah, we hope it stays by the door. So so for now we're gonna put on this thing. Yes, like that. I think it needs to go a little bit that way. Yeah, it was fitting, but you need to put it a little bit like that. Oh, so the wood is too high. Okay, I think it can work like this. Yeah, it can work.
I'll get some more.
So we're gonna take some water. So, very slowly. Yes, like that.
Obviously, it's getting lollipops.
Good layer of water over there. Yes, perfect. That's very good. So, and then we're gonna put the top on. So, this thing is a little crooked, so it's hard to get it on. But we think as long as we don't touch it too much, it will work like this. At least that's what happened last time when I did it. So now we're gonna put on the fish. So there we go. On here, I put on some nice spices and some oil. No idea if this is what you should do, but I'm just doing what I think I should do. Yeah, let's just try to.
Worst case, that the oils and the spices will drip into the water and then it'll steam back up.
Yeah, something like that. Oh, it looks so nice. I'm so curious how it's going to turn out. Yay. So I will. Yeah, just that. So, and then the top. We're gonna try to put the top on and open it a little bit. So as you can see, it is not completely fitting, but I think it works.
It's good enough.
Now we open this up just a tiny bit to let the air a little in, and sometimes we open up that, and we will just see how we're gonna do this and how it's gonna turn out. I'm very curious, Neo, are you?
I am very curious as well.
So now we wait. Keep you posted. Wow. Sizzling. All the juices. Ooh, looks so nice. Okay, so that was not how we thought it was gonna come out. This is not really looking like it's smoked. It's tasting also not like smoked. It tastes like it's just cooked and baked. So we have baked salmon, which is also nice, but we think we did it at a too high heat. The temperature must have been too high, we think. So tonight we're gonna eat this lovely fish, but it's baked, it's not smoked, but it's very nice anyways. So, well, that's how we learn. So have a lovely day, everybody, and tonight we're gonna enjoy our salmon. Bye for now.